Before you count on free money to buy your first house, you need to hear this. Down payment assistance sounds amazing, but the fine print is a massive wake up call. And I know because I used to administer these programs when I lived in another state. To even qualify for these programs, you have to meet some very strict rules. First, you must be an actual first time home buyer, meaning that you haven't owned a home in the last 3 years. So let's just say, check, you make that. Your income must fall into the low to moderate income bracket based on the area median income for each county, and it varies county by county. You need a minimum credit score of around 620, although there are exceptions, and you must be buying a primary residence. Also, you are required to take a HUD approved education course. Here is what these down payment assistance programs don't tell you is that if you are buying a home with someone else, usually your combined income means that you're going to be making too much money to qualify. On top of that, the HUD classes only allow specific people who qualify for the assistance to take them. Otherwise, there would just be too many people that would be in the class. And let's talk about the money itself. Typically, these funds only provide a little bit over your closing costs. In other words, it doesn't provide for your entire down payment and closing costs. When it is a first come, first served system, once your mortgage finance authority for your state or the nonprofit running the program runs out of funding for that year, you're stuck until waiting until the following year. And in an aggressive seller's market, that timing can destroy your chances of actually winning the bid on a home. This is exactly why you can't rely on one single program or a basic checklist to save you. You have to learn the actual mechanics of the market before talking to a salesperson. In the first time homebuyer workshop, we eliminate the industry mystery and cover it all. Your money, building your team, analyzing the house, mastering all the inspections, our unique home sanctuary method, real world case studies, and live question and answer sessions. Drop me a DM with your questions or check out our workshop so that you can stop the home buying chaos and move forward with absolute clarity. I'm Julie Marion, and I can't wait to meet you. Bye for now.